today, my habibi would get my heels. And second of all, we are going to the Hotel del Coronado. Woo!
Did you hit subscribe?
Yes,
Show us the phone.
What?
What? That's number 100. That's number 100.
Yay! Yay for you guys. We made it. I found it. Yes, I found it. We are in the famous Hotel del Coronado, looking for the hottest hot chocolate in town. Because you know what? I like it hot.
Now, if there's one thing you should know about my wife, other than the fact that she's gonna be the next Marlyn Monroe, can I get a hell yeah?
I want to be loved by you too.
Is that she loves her hot chocolate. And when I say love, I mean love it. Extra, extra hot. So hot that if it's not scalding hot, if it's not burning your lips, it's not hot enough. It must be the Arabic blood inside her. But we're here, one of the most beautiful hotels in San Diego, to get it.
L'amour, I don't think that we'll ever find a hot chocolate here. How do I do to survive? I need my hot chocolate. Extra hot. Any hot chocolate over here?
This hotel is absolutely amazing. One of the best places we've ever visited so far in our journey in California. It really throws you back to all of the movies that have been shot here and makes you think of all the huge stars that have stayed right here. Peter O'Toole shot a movie here, Marlyn Monroe shot a movie here, Wizard of Oz was inspired by this place right here. But although this place is absolutely amazing and flashy, this right here, it's not what it's all about. It's not about the flash and the glamour. It's about the journey on the way to the top. It's about chasing that dream and pursuing your passion.
A lot of people say fake it until you make it. I don't like too much this expression, guys. Don't pretend to be someone that you are not, but be the best person you can be.
Thank you so much for watching this video.
If you like our video, please subscribe.
We got new content coming out every Tuesday and Thursday, all about chasing your dream, staying authentic, relationships, having fun, adventure, chasing the American dream, making it. Peace.